those who don't believe will never experience. If you don't believe in something, don't expect that you will see that in your life. So the things that you are aiming for, the breakthroughs, I hope you really have strong faith that that will happen. Hindi lang siya wishful thinking na this is my vision. It's not just a wish, but deep inside, you really believe that that's gonna happen. Because whatever you believe for, the Lord will make it happen. The currency of heaven is faith. Sa heaven, if you want something from God, He's not asking for dollars. In order to release and activate the miraculous hand of God, may hingi-hingi siyang something, trade-off, and that is faith. He cannot work in somebody's life if that person doesn't have faith. You know the story of the bleeding woman, right? Si Jesus, naka-perform siya ng miracle without him knowing na power went out from him because of the faith of the bleeding woman. Automatic, nag-work ang miracle when you start to believe and really believe. Faith is not just believing, it's also doing.